The workshop that I co-facilitated was around outdoor spaces and inspiring young children through outdoor spaces using the Reggio Emilia approach to planning and provision of resources. We're hoping that the workshop will have inspired the participants to know that they have a voice, that they can advocate for what they know is right for young children and their learning. And when I say young children, I mean that includes babies through up to 6-year-olds, that they can help message what children need and, more importantly, what children deserve.
So my workshop is all about laughing babies, but from the perspective of how that connects them to people, what that means about their curiosity, and most importantly of all, why they're so joyful. Early years and a conference like this, is a chance to just be told, like the best in class, what really we should be doing.
And so today's conference, I hope, will have two takeaways. One is, what are best practices? And also, how can we instill, how can we promote, how can we sustain quality in early childhood by making appropriate investments? That is, the allocation of resources to be sure that not only does quality matter, but quality will be ubiquitous, and that every child and every family will have the opportunity to participate in a high quality early education experience that will make a difference in their life today, but will also make a difference in their life literally for the rest of their life.